Okay guys, so recently a client contacted me that he wanted a Bitcoin investment website and he wants the job done as quick as possible, right? So he told me that he wants the job in 24 hours, right? So I told him, okay, I can get this done for you if only you are going to pay me. And the client agreed to pay me 350,000 naira to get him a Bitcoin investment website. Can you imagine that? So I went right into my computer to ensure that I deliver as promised to the client, and in less than 2 hours I got the site designed for him. I delivered and the client was fucking happy with the job. So in this training today, I'm going to show you exactly what I did for that client, the kind of Bitcoin investment website I did for that client. Right, so I have never displayed this particular script for you guys before. So I want to show you this particular script. It's a very, very good script, a top-notch script, and I'm very, very sure you're going to like this particular script very, very well. So I went ahead, designed this website for this guy, and he was amazed. The script is seamless, it's simple, it has a lot of very, very good features. Like when you log in, any kind of login you do on the site, you automatically get a mail to alert you that an account has been logged in or you have logged in to the site, and you can fund your account easily, and you can see your account funding. Withdrawals are seamless and very, very easy. So in this particular training, you're going to learn how to design a different kind of Bitcoin investment website, that is very, very seamless, beautiful, with nice features, both back end and front end. And guess what? It's very, very mobile responsive. So guys, let's get right into my computer as I show you how to get this done. And you can also charge your client between 200k to 350k, just like I did, and I charge my client 350k, or in dollars you can charge your client 700k, $700 I mean, to do that. And also you can also list this on Fiverr or Upwork or whatever freelancing website you are, and a lot of clients are going to come and you're going to deliver top-notch for them. So a lot of people ask me, how do I get clients? Yes, you can actually get a lot of clients online. You can get a lot of clients online. You can get on Upwork, on Fiverr. You can list this service there, and people are going to buy this service for you. You can also design a website, where you tell people you design Bitcoin investment website and do SEO for that. But that's not what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to show you how I designed this particular Bitcoin investment website for 350k, and how you too can get access to this script and get this same Bitcoin investment website done for your client. So let's get right into my system as I show you how this works. Alright guys, so to get started with this, I always recommend that you always get your hosting from Namecheap, because Namecheap, they are very, very good. So you just go to namecheap.com. So go to namecheap.com. I always like to get my hosting and my domain name from namecheap.com, because their services are very, very good, affordable, and their customer care representatives are always quick to answer your question, right? So I've just gone to Namecheap as usual, right? So if this is your first time of seeing my video on how to create a Bitcoin investment website or how to create a website, so this is the first step that you have to take. First of all, you need to work by domain. So you just go to namecheap.com and let's say the domain I want to buy. Here's the domain I want to buy. So I've just clicked on search for the domain, right? I just search for the domain. So if the domain name is available, it's going to tell you that the domain name is available, right? So let's see if the domain name is available to purchase. All right, so you see the domain name is available. So you just click on add to cart right here. Awesome. So the domain name has been added to cart. It's just $9, and all you need to do is just go to hosting. Then you go to shared hosting. Please, I always we always say, please do not go and be buying WordPress hosting. Just go to shared hosting, and this is the hosting I want to buy. So I'll just click on get started right here. So I'll just come down right here. So I'm going to connect the hosting to the domain name right away, right? So you just going to connect the domain name to the hosting right away. So right, so this is the domain name, and I'm just going to connect to the hosting. So I'll just click on add to cart. So add to cart, yeah, mainly add to cart. I'll just do what confirm. So you go ahead, confirm the domain name, and go ahead and log into your Namecheap account or register a new Namecheap account and pay for the domain name, right? Pay for the domain name and hosting, and a login will be sent to you. But I've already done that, so you see that I'm already logged into my cPanel right here. So when you purchase your domain name and hosting, in just some few minutes they will send you a username and a password and a link to your cPanel. All you have to do is just click on the link to the cPanel and enter your username and your password that is given to you by Namecheap, and right away you will be logged into the cPanel, right? So I'm already logged into my cPanel, right? So I'm going to start designing my website right away. So the first thing you're going to do immediately you log into your cPanel is to locate the file manager, right? Is to locate the file manager. So the file manager is under file, right? So before the database, all you need to do is just locate the file manager. So this is my file manager. I'm just going to click on it. Just follow my step. It's very, very simple, and in less than 1 hour you will get this done. Right? So we follow my step right away. So I locate the file manager, and I come to the file manager. So this is my domain name. You see, my domain name is an add-on domain. There is an original domain name that I use for this hosting, and I'm also using another domain name, an add-on domain name, right? So I'll just open my domain name, that is it here. So if it was not an add-on domain name, I'll just go to the public_HTML, right? I'll just go to the public_HTML and upload my file right there. But the public_HTML is already reserved for the original domain of this particular hosting, because I purchased another domain name and add it to this hosting as an add-on domain. So if you buy hosting from Namecheap, you'll be able to use it for 3 websites. Just one host, you'll be able to use it for 3 websites. So let me just go to my domain name. I'll just open my domain name right here. So this is my domain name right here, and this is the domain name right here. You see that the domain name is empty right here, right? So, and it's empty right here. So if you see any files there, just select all and just click on delete the files right away, right? So you select all, then you have to you just trash the files here and you just delete the file. So right away, let me upload. So I'm just going to upload, and I'm going to select files. So I'm going to choose my file. My file is on my desktop, right? My file is on my desktop. So this is my file here. So this is the file here. So just make sure it's zipped, right? So you see the file here is zipped, right? This is the Bitcoin investment file. The script right here is zipped. So I'm going to give you access to get this file at the end of this video. So you have to stay to the end of this video to get, how to get this particular script and use for your design. So I'm just going to open right here, and it's going to upload. You see, it's going to upload because the file is so small. It's not a big file. It's going to upload in less than 1 minute. I'm going to get that file up into my server, right? So this is very seamless and very, very good, right? So the file will be uploaded to my cPanel. So I've just clicked on back right here. So you look at the file here, crypto. So I've just right click on this, then I'll click on extract, then I'll click on extract files. So you right click on extract, then you click on extract file. So the files are going to extract right away. So I'll just click on close right here, right? You see that? So I'm just going to click on close right here. I'll click on this close. So you see the file has been extracted right here. So all I will need to do is I will double click on this file to this folder icon here to open. Don't double click from here, just double click from here. So I'll do that right away. So you see all of the files right here. So I'm just going to click on select all. Just follow me. Very simple. I'm going to click on select all. Can you see that? Then I'm going to click on move. So you see that is in pingocrypto.net/Ali crypto. So I don't want Ali crypto, so I will remove. Can you see that? Remaining only the Pingo crypto right here. Can you see that? So I just click on move file. So all of this file will be moved from here, right? All of that will be moved and move into the crypto file. So I'll just come right here and click on the pingocrypto.net. So you see all of these files are here. So I'm just going to come to my site right here, my domain name, and I'll refresh. You see that in less than a minute, I have already gotten my files up. Wow. So you can see that in less than a minute, I've already gotten my files into the cPanel, right? So all right, so you see the file have been loaded on my cPanel, right? The file have been loaded on my website. So you see that it's a very, very seamless and very, very good website, right? And very sleek. Can you see that all of these have been uploaded to my domain name, right? So you can see that this is very, very good. So the next thing we are going to do is what we are just going to connect what the register and the what and the sign in, right? So if you click on sign in right here, you see that what the sign in, right? You see that it's giving a database error, right? So if you come back here, let's go back one more step and click on the register. You click on the register, you also see that it's giving what an error right here. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to what connect the database of the sign in and the register so that we get the site working properly, right? So we are going to come back here and change this logo. You see this is very, very cool. Wow, this is really, 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 really cool. So in less than 1 minute you've got this working. So now let's go back to our cPanel. So we'll go back to our cPanel, then let's just search for my SQL database wizard. Can you see that? My SQL database wizard. So you just click on my SQL database wizard. All right, so I'll give my database a name. I'll just say DB. So I'll give that my database name. So I'll click on next. So I'll say DB user, right? That's my username. So then my password, I'll click on password generator. So I'll generate password. Please, when you're generating your password, right, just ensure you generate a password without any special character. So I'm going to remove this special character right here. So I'm going to remove that special character. So I'll just copy this password, right? So I'll copy this password. So I'll come here and then let me open a notepad because we are going to need this information right away. So I'll paste this password right here, right? So I'll click on what? I have copied this password in a safe place, and I'll click on use password. So you do that, then you click on what? Create a user. Right, so copy this information also. This information here, you have to also copy this information, right? So I'm going to copy this information right here. So I'm going to put this information right here. Can you see that? So the next thing you have to do is what? Click on all privileges. Look at it here. Click on all privileges. Make sure this is ticked. If you don't tick this, there's going to be a big problem. So you click on what? Next step. Awesome. So our database has been created, right? So the next thing we are going to do is to upload our database file, right? So there's a database file, it's called a MySQL database file. So we have to upload it, right? So let's just click on return home. So like I said, I'm going to give you access to all of these files, right? So let's go down right here again. So click on PHP my admin. So click on PHP my admin, let it load. My internet is a little bit slow tonight. All right, so we've clicked on PHP my admin. So this is the database that we just created, right? You can see that DB crypto. So this is the database that we created. So in case you have more than one database, just ensure you are clicking on the database that you created yourself, right? So I'm going to open this up. So when I click it up, so you see the database is empty. So I'm going to click on import. I'm going to click on import. All right, so when I click on import, the next I'm going to do is go is what? Choose file. Then let's go to our database. So this is a database file. So I'm going to give you access to all of these at the end of this video. So just watch to the end. Then I'm going to click on what? Go. So you click on go. Awesome. Can you see that all of the database information has been, exported, right? So all of the database information has been exported. So you can see the information right here. You can see the database tables right here. Awesome. So that has been exported right into our cPanel. So the next thing we're going to do is to connect the username, the password, and the database name directly to our website. So let's go back to the file manager. So this is my file manager right here. So if you're having problem locating your file manager, always come back here, and then you can just come right here and type file. So it's going to show you the file manager. So you click and open the file manager again, right? So it open the file manager. You make sure you are inside your domain, right? Inside your domain, or you are inside your Polygon HTML if you are using just one domain. So now this is my file right here. So I'm going to go to what you see this folder called the word config, right? So open the config, just double click on it, then open the config, right? So the config has opened. So you right click on the db.php, right? So you right click, then you click on what, edit. So you click on what, edit. So this is very simple, right? So I'm going to go back there once more. So right click on it, then you click on edit, right? Then you click on edit for the second time, right? So it's very simple. So this is the file right here. The file has been opened right here, right? So this is the file. All right, so this is the file. The file has been opened right here. So we are just going to replace this database information with what we already have right here. So I'm just going to open this one. So this is the password. So I'm going to copy the password. Please make sure that when you are copying, there is no space. Don't copy space. Copy the way it is exactly. So I'm going to copy this. That's my password, right? So this is the password. I'm just going to remove this password right here, and I'm going to put this password right here. Can you see that? So I'll go back. I'll copy the username. So this is the DB user. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go to the DB user. Look at the DB username. So this is it right here. I'm going to copy that and put right here. Can you see that? That's the DB username. So let's go to the DB database name. So this is the DB database name. So I'm going to copy that. This is the DB database name, right? So I'm going to put right here. So I'll click on putting it right here. Then I'll click on what? Save changes. Awesome, awesome. I'll click on save changes. Awesome. So let's refresh our site one more time. So our site has been refreshed, right? So let's click on sign in. Awesome. Can you see that? Can you see our sign in? Wow, this is so awesome. Let's click on register now. Can you see that? You see our register now and sign in are working perfectly well, right? Our sign in, our register now, they are working perfectly well. And if I click here, it's going to take me back to the home page. Can you see that? Everything is working seamlessly, right? So the next thing we're going to do before we do anything here, before we go into how to register on the site and how to approve investment and all of that, let's just first of all come right here and let's change this logo, right? So you just right click on this, then you click on what? Copy image address, then you put it on your browser. So I'm going to put it on my browser. So it means that what? My image, my logo image is right here, right? Image/logo. So all you need to do, you download and make sure you download, save this image. So I'm going to download like this. I'm going to right click, then I'm going to click on save image apps. So I'll make sure the name does not change. So you can see that I've already saved this logo here before. I'll make sure the name is the same. So I'll just edit whatever you want to use to edit your logo. Just edit the logo and make sure the logo is well edited. So I'm going to upload this logo right here. So it's ping on the net like images/logo tag. So I'm just going to come right here. So let me come back to my site. So this is my site. So it said I should go to what? Images right here. So images. So this is where I'm going to upload the logo to. So I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to click on select files and I'm going to choose files. And this is the logo right here that I've designed for this purpose. You see that? So I'm just going to replace this particular logo here. So that will be replaced. Then I'll click on this then I'm going to reload right here, right? So I'm going to reload that. So if I come to my site, right, I'm going to reload my site. So there are some times when you reload, it's not going to just take effect immediately, right? Sometimes it's going to take some time before it takes effect. So you just calm down when you have uploaded it. The effect is going to take place, right? So do not worry about the effect it's going to take place. Or you can also use a VPN to quickly access it. So if I do something like this, or using incognito mode to quickly access it, if you really want to see the changes and the logo that you have added. So you can use incognito mode, or you can just use your VPN to access it. So it's going to load right here. So now let's go back. There's another thing that I want to change right here before I go right here. You see, it's showing Ajayi Crypto Forex. So if you go to the about us page, you see everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. All the pages are loading very well. So you see that this is the about us page. Can you see that? The about us page, everything is working. The register button, everything is working. The register button, everything is working. Right? The contact, so let's go to the contact, everything is working very well. Right? Can you see that? Everything is working very well. So let's go back to the home page again. So I'll go back to the home page again. So the home page file is the what? Index.html. Close this. So I'll go back to my file manager. So let's go back to the Pingo. So I'll go back here, right? So I'll open my index. So all of the files are here. You see that? So this is the index. I'll right click on this and I'll click on edit. I'll click on edit, right? So click on edit. So I'll just scroll down, right? I'll just scroll down. Or what I'm going to do is that I can just type this Ajayi Crypto, right? Ajayi Crypto. So I'll just click inside and I'll click on say Control F. Can you see that? Then I'll say Ajayi, ALY. Okay, ALI. So you see that Ajayi Crypto Forex. Can you see that? So when you type that, you're going to see that right away right here. But let me just start from the heading right here. So this is Ajayi Crypto. So I'm just going to change this to what? So this is going to be what? Pingo. So I'll change this to Pingo. So let me change that to Pingo. So you see that I'll change that to Pingo Crypto, right? So anywhere I see Ajayi Crypto, I'm going to change it to Pingo. So I'll copy this. So Ajayi Crypto, so I'll press enter. So you see that again, I'm saying Ajayi Crypto, I'm changing to this. And you see that I'll come back here, I press enter again. Can you see that? Anywhere I see Ajayi Crypto, I'm going to change it to this. I'll come back here again and press enter. See that? Anywhere I see Ajayi Crypto, I'm going to change it to this. So I'll come back here, press enter. Can you see that? Anywhere I see Ajayi Crypto, I'm going to change it to this. So come here again, press enter. Anywhere I see Ajayi Crypto. So you have to do this so that you take control of the site, right? So press this again. So contact at Ajayi Crypto. So you have to change this to what? To your own .net, right? So change that to your own, right? So if you want to change the phone number, there's the phone number here, you can also change. So let me press enter one more step. So you see the 2021 Ajayi Crypto. So I'm going to change this to press one more time. So there's none again. So we're not going to save my changes. And I'm going to refresh. Click on refresh. Can you see that? Pingo Crypto. Can you see that? Awesome. So you are going to do this for all of the pages. Secure way easy to invest in cryptocurrency. So you see that we are Pingo Crypto. Can you see that? That's changed to Pingo Crypto. So everything has been edited. Look at it here, Pingo Crypto. So you're also going to do that for all of the pages, right? So you're going to do that for about us, packages, and all of these pages. They are very simple. In just 2 to 3 minutes, you're done with all of this, right? So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to access the admin end of this particular site, right? We're going to access the admin end of this particular site. So just go to the files that I'm going to give to you, right? Just go to the file that I'm going to give to you. Let me see. So you see the logo has been changed right here. Can you see that? Logo has been changed right here. So let's just minimize. So let's just go to the file that I'm going to do to you. So it's going to be like this. So just open that up, right? So open, right? So this is the file I'm going to read to you. So you see this readme mod, right? So you just open this readme mod. So you're going to see this file right here. Can you see that? So this is the file you're going to see right here. So just copy this URL. So you see that this URL, can you see that? Admin, we take it to the admin. So let's go to the admin end of this side. So let's just remove this. So you are going to remove this right here. So it's going to be pinkcrypto.net/this. Can you see that? Make sure you remove this, just one slash, right? So you press enter right here. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. Can you see that? So it's going to take you to the admin end, right? So also you're also going to see the username and password, right? You're going to see the username and password. So this is the username. So I'm just going to copy this username right here, and let me go back. And I'm going to come here and paste it here, and also paste it here because it's the same username and password. So I'm just signing. So I've been logged into the admin, right? So when you log into the admin, the first thing you need to do is just go to admin wallet, right? So you go to admin wallet right here. So you make sure you change this admin wallet to your own admin wallet, right? So you make sure you change this admin wallet to your own admin wallet. So make sure you do that. Change this admin wallet to your own BTC admin wallet. And if you want to also use Perfect Money and Ethereum, make sure you change this this address to your own. So I'm going to click on what upgrade details. So that will be changed. Can you see that details have been successfully changed? So immediately you change that, the next thing you have to do is what? You go to settings. All right, so you change this domain name to your own domain name. So I'm just going to copy this domain name right here. I'm going to copy this domain name and replace it right here. So I'm going to replace that domain name right here. So change this name also to the name of your website. All right, so I'm going to change this name to the name of my website, right? So I'm going to change that name to the name of my website. So right here, you see 200 right here. So if you remove this withdrawal limit, so what do you want your withdrawal limit to be, right? So if you want your withdrawal limit to be 200, just leave it right here. Then this is registration bonus. That is to say, anybody who registers on your website, automatically get a bonus. So how much bonus do you want them to get? You want them to get a $10 bonus? You want them to get a $10 bonus, or you want them to get a $20 bonus? So anyone you want, you just put it right here. So then you have to change this to your own admin email, right? Change it to your own admin email. So make sure you create this admin email. So let me show you how to create the admin email. So I'm just come here again, my cPanel, I put an email account. So let me click on that email account right here. Awesome. So I'm going to click on create, and I'll select my domain. Say how much I want domain. I'm just select this domain, and I'll say what admin, right? So I'm going to generate the password for that. Then I'm going to click on create. Awesome. So I've created that admin, right? So I've created this admin at Pringle, right? So you can go ahead and add your phone number right here. Then I'll just come here and say welcome to. Awesome. Can you see that? So you need to do all of this. This site is 2021, which is the year. Then you click on update settings. So the settings for the admin is very, very simple right here. So it's very, very simple. So if I navigate out of there, right, I'm going to navigate out of there and then navigate back right there. You see that the information has been updated, right? So you just navigate right there and navigate outside here, right? So the information has been updated right here. So the next thing you're going to do immediately you get this done is to create your package. Let's go back to the front end of this site. So let's go back to the front end of the site. So now when I go to the front end of the site, you see, let me scroll down and you're going to see my packages. So you see that these are my packages. So you see that my packages, invest now. So these are my packages, right? All right, these are my packages, right? So these are my packages. So here are them. So these are my packages. So you see that I have a start plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, right? And the starter plan is 35% minimum withdrawal and maximum withdrawal, right? So you have to create those plans. So how do you create those plans? So you click on manage package, right? So you click on what manage package, then you click on add packages. But first of all, let's click on view added packages. So if you click on view added packages, you will see the packages that are already right here, right? So these are the packages that are already right there. You can delete them. You can delete them. For instance, I can delete this particular package. And see that package has been deleted from there. So you need to set your own package, and I can even update this package. So right. So you see that I want to update this particular package right here. Can you see that? So let me go back to my site and say starter plan. So I'll say plan A. Can you see that? So I'll copy this and I'll say plan A. So daily percentage increase, right? So daily percentage increase. So how many percentage do I want this package to get? So every day I want this package to get what? 5% of their money, right? Increase. So activation bonus, that if you activate your account, how many bonus are you going to get for this particular package? I just want the activation to also be 20, right? So if you register, you're going to get $20. If you activate, you're also going to get $20. So package duration, how many days you want the package to run? I want the package to only run for what? For let's say 10 days. So you put 10 there, right? Can you see that? So package price from, so how much do you want the, which is from, just like you have a minimum of $100. So I can say minimum of $100 to a maximum of what? $1,000. So minimum of $100 to a maximum of $1,000. Can you see that? So you just click on what? Update package. So you see that package updated. So if I go to manage package again and I click on what? View added package, I'm going to see this package. Can you see that? Plan A. So let me go back to my here again. Then I want to add plan B, right? So let me just add the second package. You can add as many packages that you want. So I'm going to go to manage package again and I'm going to click on what? Add a package, right? So I'm going to click, call it plan B. Daily percentage increase, I'll say 10%. So 10% increase. So registration bonus, activation bonus is 20. I want 20. Package duration, I want this package to run for another 10 days. So how many days you want to run, you just put it there. Package price, I would say $1,500 to how many $1,000 to $2,000. Can you see that? $2,000. Then click on add package. Awesome. So our package has been added. So if I go to manage package again and click on view added package, I'm going to see all of the package. So if you want more package, you just add all of the package that you want to add right here. Can you see that? So you just add them and all of the package are going to show right here. So another thing that I would like to do is that I would like to do that when you click on invest now from here, you click on invest now from here, you click on invest now from here, they should take you directly to maybe the sign up, right? This is the sign up or the register button. So this is the sign up and the register button. Let me just open this up in. So this is the sign up, sign in, right? This is the sign in button. This is the sign in. So it's going to take me to the sign in. So this is the sign in link. So I'm just going to copy this link right here, right? So I'm going to copy this link right here, and let me come back here and then come right here. So this is what invest now. I'm going to come right here, and here I've just typed what invest. Can you see that? Invest. Is it invest now? Let me see. Okay, invest now. So I'm going to type invest now. So you see that when I type invest now, this is going to show right here, and you see this is the link right here. So this is the link right here. So I'm going to remove this link right here, and I'm going to place this link right here. Can you see that? So I'm going to place this link right here. So for them to register and log in, right? So invest now again. I'm going to see the next link right here. Invest now. Press enter again, and press enter again. So this is the second. So I'm going to replace this link. Can you see that? Invest now again. Invest now again. So just make sure you replace them with your link to your register and login button. So invest now again. So this is the last one. So I'm just going to replace this directly right here. Can you see that? So I'm going to save this. Awesome. So our admin setup has been done, right? Our admin setup has being done right away. So if I click on requested transaction, I'm going to see deposit orders. Anybody who deposits on my site, I'm going to see them under this deposit section of my website, right? I'm going to see that under this deposit section of my website. So I want to see the under this deposit section of my website, right? So these are the deposits that I previously had on the website. So I'm just going to delete them. So if this comes with your website, right, you can just delete all of this information that you have right here. Just delete them right there. So they are going to be deleted. So I'm going to request a transaction again. I'll go to withdraw request. So if there's any withdraw request also existing, so I'm just going to delete them. So those informations are no longer there. So you can see our database has being wiped off. So you can also go to investors management, and then you can go to manage users. So these are your users. So you're going to delete. You can also delete all of the users right here that came with this particular script when you have access to the script. So I'm just going to delete all of these, delete all of these from this, delete all of them, delete all of them, delete all of them, delete all of them, and delete all of them. Awesome. Right, so I just succeeded in making my website fresh 00000. Awesome. Can you see that? Everything is what? Awesome. So the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to register right away in this particular website, right? We are going to register right away in this particular website. So you see everything is working perfectly well, right? So if I click on register now, good, I'll click on register. So I'm going to enter my first name, enter my first name, enter my username. Right, so I'm going to enter my username. I'm going to enter my email. Let me just make sure that's my email. So I'm going to enter my email. Right, so I'm going to enter my email. Then I'm going to enter my phone number. So I'm going to enter my phone number. Then I'm going to enter my password. So I'm going to click on what? Create account. So let's create an account and see how this works. You have successfully registered. Can you see that? You have successfully registered. Now let me log into my email and see. Let me show you something. So let's go to Gmail. So when you register on the website, so you are going to see a welcome message. Can you see that? So you see that this is a welcome message. Can you see that? This is what? A welcome message, right? So this is a welcome message on the site. So let me just open this. So you see that welcome to NOinvest.com. We're happy to hear that. So this information right here, so I'm showing you this information right here, is not your site. So your site is Pingo Crypto. So you have to change this information right here to Pingo Crypto. So let me just copy that and let's go and change it. Now, how do you change that to your site name? So let's go back to our cPanel, right? So this is our cPanel right here, right? So this, you go to user, then you go to register.php, right? Click on register.php, then edit it, then edit this right here. Can you see that? So click inside and say Ctrl F, then search for that. Search for NOinvest. So let's search for NOinvest. So let's search for that. So search for that. So you're going to see that. You see that? Welcome to NOinvest. So this, you have to change this to what? Pingo Crypto. So let me just copy my Pingo Crypto right here. I'm just going to copy my Pingo Crypto right here. So you change that to what? Pingo Crypto. So I'm going to put this right here, Pingo Crypto, right? So I'm just going to what? Click on what? Save changes. So that's all that you actually need to do right here. Can you see that? So I've saved the changes. So now let's register another account and see, right? Let's register another account and see right here. So let's come here. I'm just going to refresh this right here, and so I'm going to click on what? Invest now, or I can also do it from here, from register now. So but let me do it from here this time around. So I'm going to click on invest now. So click on invest now. Awesome. So this is the invest now right here. So I'm going to click on register. So I'm going to enter a fresh. So I'm going to enter a fresh information right here. So So I'm going to click on create an account. Awesome, you have successfully created an account. So let's search, let's check for that email, right? So let's check for that email. So can you see that? Welcome. Can you see that Pingo welcome message? See that director, thank you for registering on Pingo. Can you see that? Thank you for registering on Pingo Crypto. Can you see that? Can you see that? Welcome to Pingo Crypto. We're happy to hear you that. So that is how to do that. All right. So now let's go right away and let's just log into what the registration. So I'm just going to log in. So I'm going to log in. So I click on login. Awesome. Can you see that? Awesome. 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 So I just logged in right away. Can you see that? Can you see that? I just logged in right away. Can you see that? I just logged in right away. Can you see that? I just logged in right away. And you see that when you register, you have what? $20. Can you see that? $20, right? As your wallet balance. Can you see that? This is so awesome. So when you click on wallets as a user, can you see that? So you're going to see the admin. This is the admin Bitcoin wallet that you are going to pay to. Can you see that? So this is very, very, very awesome. And when you click on user profile, you're going to see your user profile information. You'll see that you have $20 bonus. Can you see that? So when you go to what investment plans, you're going to see all of the investment plan that the admin has created from the admin end. So when you click on my package, you are going to see if you have invested. So right, can you see that? You're going to see if you have invested. So before you invest right away, you must first of all deposit money into your wallet. So let's click on wallet right here. Then I'm going to click on wallet. Then how much do I want to invest? I want to invest $1,000. Can you see that? $1,000, and I'm going to paste my so paste in the transfer ID. So then I'm going to copy this. Can you see that? So you click on copy. Then I'm going to go right and deposit that funds into the admin wallet. Can you see that? So this is how admin gets the money, gets people to invest. So the money is going to be paid into the admin wallet, right? So I've already paid the money into the admin wallet. So I just click on what deposit. So immediately I click on deposit. Can you see that this is so awesome? So can you see the deposit is coming here as pending? Can you see that? It's coming here as pending, and you see your deposit of $1,000 worth of BTC is under review. Your IE is this, your balance will be credited once your deposit is confirmed. Can you see that? So now let's go back to the admin, and if we are going to see this particular deposit, so let's just refresh. So you see that $1,000 total amount deposit, total invested. Can you see that as shown right here in the admin, right? So as shown right here in the admin. So admin need to approve that so that this spending, we have to leave here so that the money will appear in this user account. So let's go right here and so you go to what requested transaction. So you click on deposit order as an admin. Can you see that? So click on deposit order. So you are going to see this that is pending. Can you see that it's pending right here? So you are going to click on what approve. Can you see that? You're going to click on approve. So now let's go back to the user end and see if that was really approved. So let's just refresh our user end. So we are going to let's just click on dashboard. Right, let's click on dashboard and then let's come to wallets. So let's scroll down. Can you see that $1,020? It has been completed. Can you see that? So we now have funds in our account. This is so wonderful. This script is wonderful, simple, straight to the point without so right here. So we're not going to go to what my package. So if we go to my package, or let's go to what investment plan. So you click on investment plan. So you are going to see the investment plan. Let's say you want to do plan A is what $100 to $1,000. So just click on select plan A. Can you see that? Package has been successfully selected. Click here to activate. So you click here like this. I think that it's so beautiful. So daily profit for this package is 5%. So how much do you want to invest? $1,000. So you just put $1,000 here. Can you see that? Then you click on what activate. Can you see that your package is successfully activated? Can you see that? It's so awesome. Is so awesome. So your package has been successfully activated. So let me just go to the dashboard. So and let's scroll down. So you see this is so seamless, right? So the package has been successfully created, and the investment is running. So if I go back to my investment plans, if I go back to my package, right here, I'm going to see days to end is just 10 days, and the package is active. Amount invested 1,000, plan A annual, and 5%. All right, can you see that? So if I go back to my admin end, let me go back to my admin end. So you see that the package has been, credited. You see that the package has been, so the package has been admitted. So from the admin end, so you can come to view investors. You can click on view investors. You're going to see whoever registered on your site. So you see the 2 registration ID. Can you see them? So these are the 2 registration ID: investors management, investors manage users. You can click on manage users, and then you can delete the user. Maybe you don't want the user to come back into your site or be able to have access, so you can just delete the user. You can see their plan and all of that. So this is very, 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 very seamless and beautiful. So guys, so this is so similar. So at the end of how many days? 10 days. So you can also create your packages to be 1 day. So at the end of 1 day, right? So at the end of 1 day, the investment is going to end. So you see the activation date, and you see the end date. So at the end of that day, the package is going to end, and the user will be able to withdraw the funds back into his account. Now let's go back to my email again, and let me just show you something. Let's go back to my email again. So this is my email. So you see that for every transaction you use, your package activated, your deposit approval, your deposit alert, your account details. Can you see that? For every transaction you do on this particular website, you get to get this email alert activated on your account, right? You got to get this email alert activated on your account. So guys, this is exactly how this particular script works. So guys, this is exactly how this particular script works. So guys, this is exactly how this particular script works. So you can see that in less than 1 hour, you can get this site running for your client. This is how I actually got this site running for my client and beat, the 1 day, the 24 hours target that he gave me to get this site running. This is so seamless, beautiful, and awesome, guys. All right, guys, so how do you get access to this script, right? So how do you get access to this script? So I want to give you access to this script. A lot of testimony have been recorded from guys who have gotten access to my script. I've got a lot of testimony. If you check my YouTube channel, you check other videos, other investment script videos that I've done, I said something about some of the guys who have made millions of naira from these particular investment videos that I am dropping on my YouTube channel. So to get access to this script, I'm only going to be charging you. If you are in Nigeria, you're going to pay 25,000 naira, right? So on this particular video, you are going to see a link that you can click and you can pay immediately. So when you make your payment immediately, you will automatically be redirected to download the script. Even if you pay 12 midnight, you are going to be redirected to download the script, even without me, right? Without saying me, right? So you're also going to see my WhatsApp number right there. And if you have any issues, you're going to contact me on WhatsApp and I am going to help you fix it. But you are not going to have a singular issues on this particular script because it's so seamless and beautiful. Now, if you are not in Nigeria, you are going to pay just $50 to access the script. So I'm also going to drop, the link for you to get this script with just $50, right? With just $50, you can easily get this script from A to Z. Very simple script, very seamless, very beautiful, and very, very awesome. So guys, I want to urge you to quickly run now to get this script, because in few weeks from now I am going to increase it from 25,000 to 50,000 naira, and from 25 from $50 to $100. So you see, I wrote and designed this script myself, me and my team. So we have a very, very good team who are already on ground, developing and making our script and our software better for you. Our goal is to satisfy you. Our goal is to help you make a lot of money, right? So go ahead, begin to make payment for this script, download this script and use this script. And one good thing about this script is that you can use this script over and over and over again without any limitations. It's not like all those kind of script that you get somewhere else that you just use once and you'll not be able to use it. No, you can use this over and over again, right guys? So guys, that is where I'll be dropping the curtains for today. So guys, so if you have any question or you want to reach me or you want to chat me on WhatsApp, right? So this is my WhatsApp number, so let me just put it right here, 2347067116962. So you can go ahead and chat me on WhatsApp, right? You can go ahead and chat me on WhatsApp. Then I want to quickly give this warning. I have seen a lot of people who comment on my video that are scammers, right? Beware of people who comment on my videos that they are this, they are that, they will help you invest. Do not invest in their website. If you have anything that you want to ask me, this is my WhatsApp number. You can just reach out to me, chat to me. If you want to get the script, maybe you want to pay, you want to talk to me before you make payment, right? So you chat me on this WhatsApp and make payment, right? So do not be deceived by anyone. A lot of scammers are right out there to scam you. So guys, thank you once again for watching this video, and I'm very, very sure you are going to enjoy this particular script. And if there are other things that you want, maybe there's a website you want to be done, I and my team, we are badass web developers. There is no kind of website you need in this world that we cannot get done for you. So start reaching out to us and we will get anything done for you as long as it is programming, it is website, it is software, we can get it done. So thank you guys for listening. My name is Ajayi Adebayo. I am your boy, and I am going to be back again with another badass video and tutorial that is sure to make you a millionaire.